Perfect. Babo Kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marquee a four in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa The Shops at the Infinity Angeles City. This year in this vlog, good thing na, bumabalik na yung mga pwede natin puntahan mga restaurants. And I'm sure one of the restaurants that you've been really missing is Crabs and Crabs. So if you want to know more about their new menu, it's gonna be on this vlog, so be with us.
So tara, let's go!
Welcome to Crabs and Crabs. Okay, so arriving on our table, this is our table. Crabs and Crabs, you never pay us. Thank you so much for always inviting us. So ito yung mga bagong menu nila.
Hi, my name is Chef Archie. Welcome to Crabs and Crabs. Tamong adwang bestseller, itong chili garlic, at itong Cajun sauce. Apin tayong balik-balingan na kayo kami. Atin yung crabs, atin yung shrimp, atin yung mussel, atin yung squid, tapos itong special sauce na sir. Kaya lang magsisi, order ang dini kay kami.
Alright, so guys, if you know this is our favorite spot.
Yes.
Dito sa Crabs and Crabs. As we always go here.
Laging puno yung table.
Full table actually.
Yes.
So we were invited to introduce you guys yung mga bagong menu nila. So let's start from my side. This side is their family bundle. Includes, meron tayong crab and corn, meron tayong daing na bangus, merong eggplant salad. This is really eye-appetizing, guys. Seafood bilao, which is this one. And then you have 10 cups of rice. You have 1 pitcher of iced tea and 1 leche flan for your dessert. Now, if you want the family bundle number 2,
Yes.
re-replace lang natin yan dun sa the seafood platter. So, the first one is a family bilao, and then the next one is the seafood platter. So, interchangeable yan.
At the same time, meron din tayong mga a la carte syempre. These are new sa menu nila.
Yes.
So meron tayo ditong shrimp kebab, shrimp sticks, baby back ribs, lechon kawale, seafood kare-kare, yung kanilang bagong-bagong seafood biringhi.
So this one is named after their mother, which is biring. It's a homemade biringhe. On top of it, of course, our favorite, yung mga seafood dishes natin. So once again, thank you so much for being with us. The favorite part of the vlog is, of course,
Taste testing.
taste testing, guys. Wanna taste first is, of course, yung pinakabago nila, this one. This
Seafood kare-kare.
seafood kare-kare. Then to top it all off, we have this all-time favorite bago.
Oo. So ako naman, syempre, yung na-miss namin dito, is yung baby back ribs.
So we tasted the baby back ribs dun sa previous vlog natin dito.
Yes.
But again, ito yung 2.0 nila.
Ito yung bagong revision ng baby back ribs nila.
It's a revision.
So tikman natin.
Oh, wow.
Actually, yung baby back ribs nila, ang lambot to. Lambot, malasa. Good.
Wow. Seafood kare-kare nila, no? I have to mention it. Very creamy. And at the same time, lasang-lasa mo yung yung peanut. Wow. Oh, wow. So another fact, kaya nga nakikip nila na fresh and at the same time very affordable or cheap compared it to other mga seafood restaurant is because they have their own farm. You can actually buy yung mga live crabs.
From the store itself. So meron naman silang mga naka-display na live crabs. So once na pumunta kayo dito, pwede rin kayong bumili doon.
Siguro, let me taste that one. Since it's shrimp kebab. What I like about kebab is hindi siya yung normal na Filipino dish.
Yes.
So you get to taste a different kind of flavor.
Innovative way ng kebab
Uh-huh.
is ginawa nilang seafood.
It's a burst of mga flavors.
Yes.
No?
Pure seafood lover, for sure mag-enjoy ka dito sa Crabs and Crabs.
I wanna taste this one. So finally, natitikman natin yung kanilang original recipe.
So ako naman titingnan ko yung ano nila, shrimp sticks.
Oh, wow.
So something bago to. Tempura
Tempura.
style. Yes.
Now, I wanna mention dito sa bringhi nila. Sobrang lasa. Yun lang masasabi guys, sobrang lasa niya. Siguradong mag-enjoy yung mga oldies kapag natingman nila yung bringhi. Bringhi is one of our traditional food, no? Lalong-lalo na sa Kapampangan. I think several versions of this one.
Yeah.
Now, imagine guys, for the family bundle, have a wide variety of dishes.
Complete meals na siya.
From options.
From fries, from vegetable, from soup. Sa family bundle niya, meron na lahat doon.
Yeah. You guys already heard about Crabs and Crabs. So this is one in Angeles City, another two in San Fernando, which is in front of Calcutta Hospital, and then the other one is in Jenra Dolores. Alright, so there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Thanks so much for being with us in this vlog. To know more about Crabs and Crabs, we're gonna be including yung mga details dun sa information section natin.
You could check their Facebook fan page sa mga promos na padating nila.
Exactly. So make sure to like or subscribe to their fan page so that updated tayo dun sa mga promos and announcement nila.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
This is a lot.